As part of your job, do you need to do a lot of data entry? And using Excel, you constantly find yourself losing your first and second columns, and you keep on having to set up the freeze pane and then scroll across and across. Well, you can in Excel actually work like you're working in a database. In other words, use a form. My name's Analia Pisani from AZ Solutions, and I provide virtual training sessions in Microsoft Office. And today I'm just going to talk about the form. So this has been available in Excel for a long time. It's just that I guess it doesn't get used or talked about, it gets forgotten. So you can set up your Excel spreadsheet with your field headers along the top. You can use the format as table feature, which is a really good tool to use. That's found under the Home tab. And it's more than just the pretty colours. You can check out some of my YouTubes on more information about the format as table. But for now, the button or the command button for typing away like a form is found under your quick access toolbar. So it's found under your quick access toolbar. You'll need to say more commands, and from the top select the option that says all commands, and if you then press the letter F, you'll get to where all the F's begin, and from there you'll find the command button for form. You'll select add, so you'll now add it to your quick access toolbar. Click inside your data area, your table, and then select the button for form, and the form appears. Now the width of the data that you have is determined by the first column. So however wide the first column is, all the others will follow suit. And you've got the option from there to enter your record, start working like you do in a database. Press a button for new to enter a new record, delete, go to the next or previous. And there's even a criteria feature there so that you can do a little search. So it's quite a cool little tool. Thank you for joining me.